Hi guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Inshan here. Welcome back to me in Insan language. Okay, I hope you in a good condition. Okay, in this lesson, I'm gonna teach you about reference in reading skill. Okay, let me describe this task to you. So when you get the TOEFL test and get the question type, it would look like this. The task is like this. The disgraceful anthropology games, or anthropology days, as they were called, were the creations of what was the then Department of Anthropology at the St. Louis World Fair, for which the Olympics was just the athletic side show. There was a debate within the athletic and anthropological community at the time as to whether people of color from colonized countries were natural athletes. So they thought they'd do some experiment to prove the veracity of this racist anthropology. They gathered together people from different ethnic backgrounds and got them to perform Olympic sport, then test their times and performance against white qualified American athletes. The question is, the word they highlighted in paragraph 1 refers to A. The Olympic. B. People of color from colonized countries. C. The athletic and anthropological community. D. People from different ethnic backgrounds. Let us think about it. Before we go into answer this type of question, we have to know about what is refers means. Refers can mean he, him, his, or she, her, hers, or its, or they, them, theirs, or who, whose, which, this, that. It can be referred like that. How to solve this type of question? Step 1. Read the questions and answer option. Step 2. Find the reference word in the passage. Third, identify the subject of the preceding sentence. Fourth, go to the sentence before to search the subject and find the subject that the sentence as yourself, who or what does. 5. Match the subject with the reference word. Let's take this to the example. Read the question and answer option. The word they highlighted in paragraph 1 refers to A. The Olympic. B. People of color from colonized countries. C. The athletic and anthropological community. D. People from different ethnic backgrounds. Step 2. Find the reference word in the passage. They. So they do some experiment to prove the veracity of this racist anthropology. So it means they. Who is they? We come to the next step. Identify the subject of the preceding sentence. Go to the sentence before of the they. Okay, the sentence before is: there was a debate within the athletic and anthropological community at the time as to whether people of color from colonized countries were natural athletes. So they do some experiment to prove the veracity of this racist anthropology. And the fourth step, to find the subject of sentence as yourself, who or what does. 5. Match the subject. 5. Match the subject with the reference word. From the step that we have already mentioned, we already know that they will refers to the Olympic. I think no. B. People of color from colonized countries. No, because there was a debate within the athletic and anthropological community. So the debate is athletic and anthropological community. So they do some experiment. So who is doing experiment? The anthropological community and the athletic. So they refer to the athletic and anthropological community. The answer is C. That's it. Thank you for your attention and bye. See you to the next video.